Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. I have finished my Evening Stroll quilt from Fabric Cafe, and while I know it's hard to pick out the pattern in this quilt because of the fabrics I used, I am actually in love with this quilt. Now, the reason I did it in such larger prints for my number 3 is because I am terrible with half square triangles. So I did this quilt to hopefully get me better at half square triangles. And I will say there was 100 and I think 92 of them in this quilt, and I will tell you in my own experience I got better at the half square triangles doing this quilt than any of the others. Now, my husband, when I had 4 of the blocks together, just laying before I sewed them, he looked at me and he said, He said, if you ever wanted to make anything that did not look like quilting or quilt piecing, he said, this is it. And for a while, I was just thinking that he thought that this was a ugly or fugly quilt, and I asked him, did you mean that I made an ugly quilt? And he's like, well, I really didn't say it was ugly. He goes, but you can't really see the piecing due to the fabric choices. And that's true. Some of these the secondary pattern of these diamonds, I guess, you can't really tell that well, but you also can't see the imperfections in my triangles where they all meet up. I got good. There's a ton of them in here that line up and match and are perfect, but there's also a ton of them that don't. And because of the pattern of the fabrics, you can't really tell it that bad. Now, if you get down and look, yeah, you're gonna see that I kind of suck doing it. But hey, you know, my eyes, my vision, it's the way it is. But I am really kind of happy with this. I don't know how I'm going to quilt it yet, but I do know that the black fabric with the bigger flowers is going to be my backing, because I have I have plenty of this. I probably have enough of it in the orange with the cranes to make a double focus quilt. But I'm not. I'm going to do the backing on this, and I just have to figure out how I am going to attempt to quilt it. So if you come along for this journey, here is the end of my finished top. I absolutely love it, even though it's different. Let me know what you think. Do you like it, or did I create a fugly quilt? I will talk to you later. Bye.